Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will introduce myself to you. I go by the name of Daphne, and Happy Healthy is my channel. I love to cook and make drinks for friends and family and myself. Sometimes I was inspired by dishes that appeared in some of the travel vlogs or cooking videos found on YouTube. In the same way that the creators from those videos inspired me, I also want to share my ideas of recipes for food and drinks, or go to a local food establishment to try the food or drink and share my opinion. Some of my friends call me a foodie because I love good food. In my next film, I will make some lemonade, the traditional one and the healthy version that I make at home. Please look forward to it. And you are welcome to also make the lemonade while watching the video. If you do, then please check the list below in the description box. For now, I will get my ingredients and equipment for my delicious lemonade. Just thinking about it makes me thirsty. See you next time. Friday lemonade tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from Happy Healthy, please subscribe. Have a nice evening and stay healthy. Goodbye.